Hey there, homeowners! Ready to transform your kitchen? Let's dive into 6 unique cabinet ideas that could inspire your next remodel. First up, open shelving. It's modern and functional, letting you display those beautiful dishes and glassware. Plus, it provides easy access and creates a spacious, airy feel. Next, glass front cabinets. They combine elegance with practicality. You can easily locate items, and they reflect light, making your kitchen brighter. Now, let's talk custom storage solutions. Tailored to your specific needs, they maximize functionality. Think pull-out shelves, lazy Susans, drawer dividers, vertical dividers, and integrated trash bins. Fourth on the list, mixed materials. Combining different textures, colors, and finishes gives your kitchen a unique look. Imagine wood and metal, painted and natural finishes, glass and wood. Number 5, built-in features. They enhance functionality with built-in spice racks, trash bins, and pull-out pantry shelves. Convenience at its best. Finally, colorful cabinets. Add some personality with bold colors, pastel hues, or two-tone designs. It creates a vibrant and inviting space. Fairmont Kitchen Center is here to bring your vision to life with innovative and personalized solutions. Contact us at 304-362-7033 to discuss your unique kitchen cabinet ideas and start your remodeling journey in Fairmont, West Virginia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips. See you next time.